Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel evaporated milk. We'll cover two popular methods, stovetop and oven, ensuring you achieve a delicious, creamy result. You'll learn the simple steps to transform ordinary evaporated milk into a rich, golden caramel, perfect for desserts. We'll also discuss important safety tips and proper storage for your homemade treat. For a stovetop caramel sauce, begin by melting butter, brown sugar, and a little water in a saucepan over medium-low heat. Stir constantly until the butter melts. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce to a simmer for about 5 to 8 minutes, stirring until it thickens and turns golden brown. Finally, remove from heat and carefully stir in evaporated milk and vanilla extract until smooth. For a quicker caramel sauce, melt butter and brown sugar together in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, bring the mixture to a full boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a simmer for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. After simmering, remove the pan from the heat and slowly whisk in evaporated milk and vanilla extract until the sauce is completely smooth and creamy. Once your delicious caramel evaporated milk sauce is ready, allow it to cool completely to room temperature. As it cools, it will continue to thicken. Then, transfer the cooled caramel into a clean, airtight container. You can store this homemade caramel sauce in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, or even freeze it for longer enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.